To speed up the creation of boulders and rocks for my project, I built a workflow that helps me add details to meshes I've manually sculpted. In Houdini, I created a semi-automated system for optimized rock generation. Here's how it works. Starting from a simple blockout sculpted in another software, Blender in this case, I can generate detailed results. Sculpting the initial blockout gives me control over the overall shape of the rock, while Houdini handles the fine details and surface features. This saves me a lot of time and allows me to create highly detailed rocks very quickly. The workflow is based on two main tools. The fracture tools. This fracture the rock based on the curvature of the mesh, producing natural looking breaks and divisions. And the edge damage tool. This adds additional detail and wear to the edges, enhancing realism. By combining these tools, I can achieve rock that looks both controlled in shape and richly detailed without spending hours sculpting every surface manually.